Welcome to Fan Laws app. When the app opens up in the portrait mode, you will notice that the motor RPM button is highlighted. It means it's asking for the motor RPM, which in this case is 1748. Enter that value. Then the fan shift pitch diameter button is lighted. So we will enter that, and it happens to be 16.4 inches. Enter that value. Then the fan RPM button lights up. Fan RPM, in this case, 756. 756. Enter that value. The motor rated horsepower is 25. Enter. The actual brake horsepower is 18.2. Enter that value. Air volume delivered is 11,400 CFM. Enter that value, and the static pressure for the system is 1¼ inches. Enter that value. The center to center distance between the motor and the fan is 46 inches. Enter that value, and the critical shaft speed of the fan is 1100 RPM. Enter that value. Okay, now when we have all the values entered, rotate the iPhone, and you can see all the values that we entered are in the various areas. Motor horsepower is 25, brake horsepower 18.2. Belt pitch length has been calculated to be 129.4 inches, and the motor sheave has been calculated to be 7.1. Now let's see what we can theoretically get with this motor by increasing the motor sheave. And as we go up, 7.4, 7.5, you can see the brake horsepower 2 value change until we hit 25 horsepower. And the maximum CFM we can get out of this fan motor combination is 12,686 CFM with a static pressure of 1.55 inches. Belt pitch length will be 130.5 inches, and the new motor sheave will be a 7.9. So that's how this application is used, and you can take it back down. You can, for example, see how much air you can get with a 20 horsepower motor, 19.8. Possible to get 11,721 CFM, which is slightly more than what we have now. So you can decrease the size of the motor for more efficiency. That will require a 129.6 inch belt, and the motor sheave pitch diameter will be 7.3, and the fan will be running at 777 RPM. So you can play what if all day long. You can go back and change any value. For example, your center to center distance. Let's say instead of 46, it's 48. And then rotate the back over, and you'll see that you need a 129.4 inch belt. Or you can reset all your values at once and enter them again. So that's how the application works, and I hope you get a lot of use out of it. Thank you very much.